Hey, can you whisper it? Say, I love you. I love you.
I got it.
Can you yell it? No, you gotta yell it. No, yell it real loud. You're whispering. I love you. Can you yell it real loud? Say, I love you.
I love you.
Can you whisper it? Say, I love you.
I love you.
That's yelling it. You gotta whisper. Say, I love you.
I love you.
No, whisper. Say, I love you. Say, I love you. Okay, now yell it. Real loud. Can you yell it? Say, I love you.
I love you.
Very good. Can you whisper it? Hey, Zebby. Say, I love you. Okay, lay down. Let's get your littles. Lay down. We'll get your little blanket. Zeb, are you ignoring Mama? Lay down. Lay down. You gonna hit your glowworm? There you go. Okay, lay down. Mama, cover you up. Say night-night, Mama. Can you blow me kisses? Aw. Can you say, I love you?
I love you.
Alright. Here's your littles. Alright. You gotta lay down, baby. Alright. Night-night. Night-night.